learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello, everybody. It's time for Practical Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph 林。好想睡觉哦。
你怎么了？
昨天没睡好，你知道吗？隔壁我跟你讲，现在家里大家都有 KTV 啊，K 歌神器啊。然后呢，唱得好吵，而且我跟你讲，好听就算了，好难听。
不好听，很像是噪音。
Today we're going to continue the subject of being so annoyed, and let's say your neighbor is so noisy during the night and you can't get good sleep, so you're annoyed by it. So let's put you in this scenario. But first, so annoying, 好烦哦。
跳那喊痛哦。
跳那喊痛哦。Okay, that means so annoyed. 好烦哦，隔壁又在唱歌了啦。Oh my goodness, so annoyed because the neighbors are singing again.
跳那喊痛哦。
跳那喊痛哦。
隔壁。
隔壁。
UD 冲过的啦
，UD 冲过的啦 ，OK，UD 冲过的啦，冲过就是 singing 唱歌嘛，又在唱歌了，隔壁就是隔壁，对啊，哎呀，今晚又要被吵一整晚了啦 ，OK，Tonight is gonna be another noisy night. How do you say that？
安不呀，
安不呀
，U 會本記
，U 會本記，
吵鬼安不嘞，
吵鬼安不嘞 ，OK。
安不呀，又會本記吵鬼安不嘞，
吵鬼安不嘞，就是吵一整晚嘛，哈，吵鬼安不嘞，安不嘞就是晚上。You know what? In this scenario, you really should call the guard or even police to take care of it. 有时候要跟这个警卫反映一下。
大楼警卫反映。
警卫还不行的话，就警察来，因为真的噪音嘛，是不是？
还可以开罚单呢。
真的，警告先没关系，但是如果再持续下去，就要开罚单。好，我打电话跟警卫反映一下。Let me call the guard and report this.
捱大天花。
捱大天花。
老警衛。
老警衛。
泛音一下。
泛音一下。
捱大天花，老警衛反映一下。
Okay, 反映就是反映。Okay, to reflect, to report something. 警衛 guard. 警衛 Okay, that's a guard. So let me call and reflect this to the guards. All right, let's review some of these phrases such as 隔壁 neighbor.
隔壁
隔壁 and then 唱歌
衝過的
衝過的 that means singing and then the guard 警衛
警衛
All right, it's all about being so annoyed. So 再一次教大家怎么说好烦哦。
跳那喊痛哦。
跳那喊痛哦。然後喜歡唱歌的聽眾朋友們，請你在10點之前唱完好嗎？Okay, thank you. That is today's Practical Hakka.
什麼太嘎？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.